Hello everyone, my name is Riya Ghosh and I am a former student of JNV Purulia. Purulia is a very small district in West Bengal. First of all, it gives me immense happiness and pleasure to talk about being a Navodayan today. So I joined Navodaya in 2008 as the second batch of our school. As we were the second batch there, so it was like a very small family, a small group of students, small group of teachers, and a small campus. Small people in number help us to grow in a family like environment. That's why we were in great bond with our teachers. We could share them everything. As I am speaking these, all the memories are flashing into my head right now of all the 7 years in just a few minutes. Contribution of Chainvi in shaping my career is a lot. It feels great to come from a village area and to study in a school like that. I would thank my parents so much for this opportunity. The 7 years of free education government has provided us just cost and entrance exam to reach there. It enlightened us on every field, be it science, sports, art and craft, music, culture, literature, studies in every field we could possibly ever imagine. The thing about JNV is it concentrates on all-round development. And the life at JNV was very disciplined from a very young age. So we need punctuality in life and we need discipline in life. We all know that, but JNV sows that seed within us. The cultural event was all organized by us, from decoration to clean up, everything. It was all very good. And friends you got there last a lifetime. That's the best part about JNV. You got a gem of a friends. We are provided with a new family, home away from home. We got people from all walks of life. We learn to love and respect everyone, irrespective of their caste, of their religion, color, gender, or everything. We don't judge. We volunteered for several work. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was a thing to us. We used to clean our surroundings every day and the campus every Sunday. Navodaya taught us the value of ourselves, the value of self-dependence, the morality, being self-sufficient, etc. And believe me, in Navodaya, we became, or you became, a good person. If not good, a great one. And you understand the value of a teacher, the need of a friend, and most importantly, you understand how to be on yourself, how to be self-sufficient. Thank you, Genvi, a lot for teaching me all these things. I passed out in 2015 after spending 7 precious years of my life there, not just in academics, but it has shaped me in every way. It has given me immense confidence. We used to do a lot of CCA works, activity. I had participated in dance, drama, many cultural activities. It has helped me to grow in every inch and aspects of my life. Coming back to thanking JNV, I could never ever thank you enough for all the opportunity you have given me. Just like this bright sunny day, you added many bright colors to my life. You have given me the wings to fly high in the sky, to take a stand for myself, to be responsible for myself. You have taught me the value of every small thing in life, and I could never thank you enough for that. That brings us down to earth. So this attitude, thank you to all the teachers who have hold our hands and walk us through this journey of 7 years, who are still with us today. Thank you so much, everyone.